Good morning children. Today we are going to learn geometry, the new chapter. Already last year you have learned, and this year it is not given much in detail, just it's given only like introduction it is given, but still I will give you little more deeper. Okay, what you have learned you should not forget, no? So I am going to give little more deeper also. So let's see. First in geometry last year also we learned 2D shapes, but here it is not given separate 2D shapes or 3D shapes, just it is given shapes. Okay, so 2D shapes, this D is meant for, it stands for dimension. So 2-dimension figures. So 2 dimensions. So what are those 2 dimensions? They are length and breadth. So if the shape which are having only the length and the breadth, they are called 2D shape. Okay, so breadth can be another word, we can write it is width. Okay, so 2D dimensions means which are having only length and breadth. Only length and breadth. Okay, they will have length and breadth, plus they will have a height also, otherwise the depth also they will have, but we can't say them 2D figures. Okay, if they have only length and breadth, they are called 2D shapes, 2 dimensions. So in that you have learned already in 2D shapes, that is square, rectangle, again circle, triangle. Also you have learned oval shape. Okay, so these are the 2D shapes you have learned. Again, next one is a 3D shapes. Now 3D shapes means 3 dimensions. There will be 3 dimensions. So what are those 3 dimensions? They are length, breadth, and height. This is R. Height. So height, in other word we call it depth also. So if the figures, if they have length, breadth and height, they are called 3D shapes. So 3D shapes also you have learned last year. So that is cube, the square will be in 3D shape cube, rectangle will be in cuboid, and circle will be in sphere, triangle will be cone. Okay, another one you have learned cylinder. Okay, so if you have the last year's book, this year in class 4 you would have learned this year pyramid and prism also, but since you are having a new book, in this it is not included, so pyramid and prism. So in between if I have, I will explain to you how the pyramid and prism is there. So better learning different shapes, it is good. Okay, so just learning little bit, for higher classes it will be really difficult, so I will include, if it is not in the book also, I will give you for your knowledge little here and there some details. Okay, so these are 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Again, okay, now this is a square I have drawn. I cannot draw exactly without this one shaking, no? Since it is shaking, the measurement, it is going up and down, but you imagine it, this is a perfect square. Okay, so this has how many sides? 4 sides. So this is one of the side, this is 2, this is 3, 4 sides. Again, this part is called the corner, otherwise vertex. Don't be confused, vertex and corner is a different name, both are same only, vertex and corner. So the this one, the square has 4 sides and 4 vertex. Okay, so the same way rectangle also will have the same 4 sides and 4 vertex. Again, triangle will have 3 sides and 3 vertex. Okay, again the circle will have nothing. Okay, it has no sides and no vertex, no corner, it doesn't have any corner. Okay, it is just like a curved shape, no? So it is having like that. Okay, now same thing goes for oval shape also. So in 2D shapes you must know the number of sides and number of vertex. Okay, so that you remember. I think you will know since you have learned in class 2 also this same thing, and 3 also you have learned. I think you will remember. Now let's see the 3D shapes. I think you know how to draw the 3D shapes. Okay, identical rectangle you have to draw, then just you have to join the corners. So this is cuboid I have drawn. Okay, in cuboid, this is cuboid. Now here we have learned what is a face, what is a edge, what is a corner or vertex. You have learned already. I don't know whether you have learned in class 3, but class 4 last year books it is there, but in class this year new book it is not there. So I'll explain now. See, now this, let's take it, this is a cuboid, like that you take it. Okay, imagine it, this is a cuboid. This is cuboid only, no, in my imagination this is a cuboid. Okay, so now you see this flat surface, no, this is a flat surface. So this flat surface, no, it is called the face. So the flat surface is called the face. So you must know what is a face. The flat surface is called the face. So face is, how many faces there? 1, again 2, 1, 2, again back side 3, down 4, again right side 5, left side 6. So there are 6 faces. Again, now you see 2 faces. Now this is one flat surface and this is one flat surface. So these 2 are faces. Now these 2 faces joins together in this place, in this line it is joining. So this joining line is called the edge. So where the 2 faces are joining, that place is called the edge. So now this is one edge. Again this will be another edge because this face and this face they are joining here. Again this will be another edge because this face and this face joining together. Again here this will be one edge because this face and this face is joining together. Okay, that way we will get how many edges means this. Here you see, here itself we will get 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the front side itself we are getting 4 edges. Okay, again back side same way you will get 4 edges. Okay, because front and back is the same. 4 edges you will get. So front and back is over. Now you see the sideways. So this edge already we have counted. No, only this is not counted. Okay, so here 2 is left and here this side also, this and this is left. So sideways, right side 2, left side 2, so total 4. So front 4, back side 4 and sideways 4, so total 12 edges are there. Okay, now next one, 3 edges. Otherwise in some figures like cone means 2 edges are meeting. Okay, so mostly 3 edges meet, otherwise 2 edges, very rare case 2 edges meet in one point. Okay, so now 3 edges meeting in one point, that is called the corner, otherwise vertex. Okay, now you see this is one edge and this is one edge and this is another edge. Okay, so these 3 edges are meeting together in this point and this point is called the vertex. Okay, so 3 edges meeting in one point. So which point they are meeting, that is called the vertex, otherwise corner. Okay, so that way if you see here, this is one corner, this is one corner, here is one corner, here is one corner. So front side itself 4 corners you have. The same way back side also you will have a 4 corners. This is one, this is one, this is one, this is one. So you will have a 4 corners. But sideways these corners are already counted, so there is sideways no corners. So front 4 and back side 4, so total you will have 8 corners. So I think you will remember now what is face. So you must know what is face, what is edge and what is corner. Face is a flat surface. Flat surface is called the face. Again edge is the 2 faces joining point, otherwise meeting point. Just I am writing shortcut, 2 faces join. Where the 2 faces join, they are called the edge. Okay, corner is 3 edge meeting point. 2 edges meeting point. It is a point. Okay, corner is a point. Edge is like a line. Corner will be, it will be a point. Surface is like a flat area. Okay, so this much you must know. Corner is also called in another word vertex. So don't be confused. Again and again I am telling.